And happy Friday, everyone. We're watching one band of snow, a pretty good little band here coming through northern and central El Paso County, moving off towards the south. There's another one beginning to develop over Park County that's probably going to move into Teller County and increase the snowfall there again. And so far, we've been benefiting from the relatively warm surfaces in Colorado Springs. Stratus IQ camera at North Academy and Lehman Drive showing we're whitening up some of the cooler surfaces, but the roadway, at least in that location, doesn't look too bad right now. That's also true out at Ava Eye Care. Your Powers and Woodman focus on the right side of the screen. You can see a little snow falling on the lights there, but roadways are more wet than they are white. It's a little colder up in Monument. The snow has not been heavier at this point. Heavy traffic, just I think a combination of everybody getting home and a little bit of slowing from what so far has not been a terribly impactful snow. But once you get up higher, and you saw this in our go-car coming down Ute Pass, it's colder, and so the snow has been much more successful at making friends with the roadway. So make sure if you're up across the higher terrain, you leave yourself some extra time. We're dropping off into the low to mid 30s now, much of eastern Colorado. That's been helpful. Again, we're around or above freezing still, but it's much colder up across the higher terrain, which is why we're seeing so much more snow sticking to the roads up there. And Futurecast shows this first band of snow that's focused primarily on the Pikes Peak region, slipping off towards the south, and then eventually becoming more widespread along and south of the Arkansas River probably after midnight. So those of you living in these areas farther south, say Los Animas County, where you haven't seen much snow yet, you'll probably get more of your snow a little later on tonight. And when you wake up tomorrow morning, we'll have teens and 20s. So wet roadways now likely mean icy roadways tomorrow morning. So long as you get enough precipitation to at least get the roads wet, that'll happen. And in some areas, you'll get plenty to whiten the roads, as we've already seen in Teller County. Most of the heavier snow looks to really hug the mountains pretty tightly here with this particular storm system. Closer you are to the mountains, the more likely you're talking about maybe a 3 to 6 inch snowfall, and perhaps in localized areas even a little bit more. Out across the plains north of the Arkansas River, it doesn't look like you'll get very much. So we see a band here in the purple where I think a general 3 to 6 inch snowfall may hug the Rampart Range and perhaps the northern slopes of Pikes Peak, and we're on our way already. That might extend a little bit out here onto the Palmer Divide. Bigger problem out here is going to be wind later on tonight. It'll only take a couple of inches of snow once the wind picks up to really reduce visibility due to some blowing and drifting snow. Around Colorado Springs, the closer you are to the mountains, the more likely you're on the high end of that 1 to 4 inch range, and the farther away from the mountains you are, the more likely you're on the lower end of that. Pueblo, in general, along the Arkansas River between Canyon City and Pueblo, maybe an inch or two in spots. A lot of that's going to melt on the warmer surfaces, but if it snows hard enough for long enough and we can wet things, it may still get cold enough to lead to some slick spots here before it's all said and done tonight. Once we get to the higher terrain, again, those numbers go up some, more into that 3 to 6 inch range near the wet and Sangre de Cristo Mountains. And then we might have a more general 2 to 4 inch snowfall out here across the northern slopes of the Raton Mesa to include much of Los Animas County. Those numbers should drop off as you travel a little bit to the north and east. I already kind of mentioned the wind, which will be strongest late tonight and tomorrow morning out here across the eastern plains from the Palmer Divide northeast and then probably from the Raton Mesa northeast. So those are the areas where if we're going to get some blowing and drifting snow, we're most likely to see that happen. And then tomorrow it looks just windy in eastern Colorado, not quite so bad over the mountains, but everywhere we're going to have enough wind to put a bite in the air. I think we'll have some gusts over 30 miles an hour, particularly mid to late tomorrow morning over the plains of eastern Colorado, and that's going to put most of you who don't go out dressed appropriately in a foul mood, I think. When you wake up tomorrow morning, any snow left near the Colorado-New Mexico state line will end. We'll kind of wait a few hours, I think, for the clouds to break up. So again, it's going to be colder tomorrow. We're going to have some pretty significant wind. It may be shady for a part of the day. So real blustery day. Highs only in the 30s and lower 40s. And Sunday, after starting off really chilly in the single digits and teens, looks a little warmer. We might reach the upper 40s, but we'll probably still have some passing clouds and some pretty good wind in the afternoon, so still feeling pretty chilly. And the bottom line for the next week, not nearly as warm as the one we just finished. So we'll probably be in the 40s most days in Colorado Springs and Pueblo. Lows probably in the teens and 20s. Most nights, higher terrain. Temperatures won't be that much cooler. We might have a little better chance for a flurry around the middle of the week, say in Monument or Teller County, and then perhaps a little later on over the far eastern plains in southern Colorado. But I don't think we're going to get real significant precipitation the rest of the week. It's just going to be breezy at times and much cooler. Back to you.
All right, Marty, thanks for the heads up. Hey, that snow is definitely starting to stick on the roads here at the lower elevations. This is Highway 24, headed east towards Cimarron, 8th Street, and I-25. So we're still on the west side of I-25, but obviously you can see some snow beginning to accumulate on the side, so just be careful if you're out and about tonight. You might hit some slick spots. We'll be right back.